Hungry? Let's check out the food options on Independence of the Seas. We look at the complimentary and for-fee food spots. And always remember, in addition to these, you can always order room service for $10. I'm JD, and along with my wife Chris, we are the Casual Cruisers. On this channel, we'll bring you ship tours, port tours, and information on excursions and other activities. We hope you find our channel enjoyable and informative. If you do, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Now, let's cast off on the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers. On Deck 11 aft is the Windjammer Marketplace, which is the complimentary buffet on Royal Caribbean. It serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's take a walk through and see some of the offerings they have for breakfast and lunch. You should wash your hands in addition to using hand sanitizer. It's the best way to prevent illness on a cruise. If this video is helpful or informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing. It'll help us grow our little channel and reach a broader cruising audience. Here you see some of the fruit selection available during breakfast, and there's usually an Indian, British, and American style fare served at breakfast and lunch. There you see some of the pastries, and there's a carvery station. For the British style, they'll usually have beans and toast and bangers and mash or blood sausage as an offering for breakfast. Let's check out lunch. They'll generally have Indian type food as well as general American fare and the grill line at the back of the Windjammer. They'll also rotate through a feature of the day, which could be Mexican or Caribbean, sometimes German. It just rotates. You have to see what they're offering. quick look out the back of the ship coming up, and you really can't beat that wake view. As we get into more dining offerings, feel free to pause and read the menus as they come up. The main dining room, or MDR as it's called, is on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd decks in the aft end of the ship. On the first night, they generally will have prime rib, and on sailings of 7 nights or more, they'll have a lobster night. If it's not a 7-night or more sailing, or it's an additional item you want, there is an upcharge for lobster tails. The MDR serves breakfast, and they also serve lunch on sea days. Looking at this view, it brings back the nostalgia of old-time ocean liner sailing or cruising. On deck 11 near the kids' water area is Fish and Ships, which has complimentary items as well as some for-fee food items. Moving into the heart of the ship in the Royal Promenade, you have an ice cream shop and Sugar Beach candy store, and they are both for-fee options should you want to partake in them. Next up, we have Sorrento's, which many call the best pizza at sea. It's a complimentary dining option, and it's open late, so if you come out of the adult arcade, you can still get a slice or two. And at the end of it, you'll see 2 of the Coke Freestyle machines. The other 2 are up in the Windjammer buffet area. At the other end of the promenade is Café Promenade, which is a complimentary food place. They have morning items, and then they'll change over to small sandwiches and wraps, as well as little treats and desserts in the afternoon. Next to it is the Starbucks. Starbucks is your premium coffee spot on the ship, and they also have punch cards, which you can check out in your app or your Plan My Cruise online. For that Starbucks punch card, it's basically a 15 punch card. 1 punch gets you a tall, which is a small. 2 punches get you a grande, which is a medium. I don't think you can get a venti, or what I would call a large. Moving down to deck 4, you'll see Playmakers, which is a sports bar themed area just outside the adult arcade. It has games which can be paid for using your SeaPass card, and items that you can get, both food and drink, which are for-fee items. Also on deck 4 forward is Izumi, which is the Japanese specialty dining option. If you're going to choose this option, 1, you need to check your ship and see if they also have the hibachi or teppanyaki style. Some ships only have the sushi area, but if you do it and you're doing the teppanyaki, hibachi type, we recommend that you do it on a sea day at lunch. You get just as much food for about half the price, maybe 2/3, but it's way cheaper than getting the dinner option. And as you can see, the chef puts on a show for you. And in a second, you'll see them using egg instead of shrimp, trying to do the catch it with your mouth trick. Jumping up to deck 11, Chops Grill is a steakhouse specialty dining option and is located inside the Windjammer entrance. So you walk into Windjammer and you turn to your right, and there's Chops Grill. This is another great one to possibly take for the lunch option instead of dinner, just to save money, and it would be available on C days as well for lunch. Directly across from Chops is Giovanni's Table, which is the Italian specialty dining option. It's also located inside the Windjammer. When you go in the entrance to Windjammer, you turn left, and that'll bring you into Giovanni's. As we wrap up this tour of dining options on the Independence of the Seas, here's Johnny Rockets on deck 12 aft. It's an American diner style themed eatery, and it is a specialty option. The one thing is, unlike the Oasis class, you do not get free breakfast at Johnny Rockets on this class of ship. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful or informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing. We appreciate you helping us grow the channel, and as always, bon voyage until the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.